Girl, try to get it done and out the way. I ain't got time. What's up, guys? Welcome in and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are completely new, hello. I'm sincerely Niko. In today's video, we're going to be trying out something new from One Size Beauty from Patrick's store. Yes, honey. So if you guys are interested in what I received in PR from Patrick's store, I'm pretty sure you guys already know. It's the primers and eye patches. It's the primers and the eye patches. So if you guys are interested on the primer, how it works, I'm going to actually do a wear test. Niko's going to do a wear test. I'm going to do a wear test, and we're going to see how this primer holds up with my oily skin, see if she succumb the blur and all that good stuff. Then definitely keep on watching this video. But before we get into it, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Join me here on YouTube. Be a part of the EXO squad because we get lit on this side of YouTube. And let's go ahead and jump right on into it.
You used to call me on mine. You used to. Yeah.
So inside the package, we have makeup is a one size fit all. Secure the blur, period. So we have the Secure the Blur Makeup Magnet Primer. Retails for $30. It is an instant blurring, hydrating primer that minimizes pores, even out texture, and controls shine while gripping makeup with all-day ultimate wear. The star ingredients is glycerin, which helps slips and hydrates. It also has micro spears in witch hazel, which helps minimize pores and blurs fine lines. We also have niacinamide, which works to even out and brighten the appearance of skin tone. Then inside, we also have the Secure the Blur Hydrating Under Eye Patches, which retails for $25. It is a supersized patch that depuffs, targets dark circles, smooths out fine lines and wrinkles, and improves overall texture. The star ingredients is the tropical lemon juice from Philippines. It helps to brighten the skin and also helps give a vibrant appearance of my under eye, caffeine, and hyaluronic acid, of course. So let's go ahead and jump on into what it looks like. Let's go ahead and jump on into the Secure the Blur collection. All right, so I went ahead and prepped my skin. We're gonna go ahead and do some prep products, of course, before we get into the whole makeup application. So I'm gonna go ahead and prep my skin using this new serum from You to the People. This is the 15% vitamin C in caffeine energy serum. I'm excited to use this as well too as a prep step. This has 15% vitamin C. It has yerba mate, passion fruit, dragon fruit, and squalene as its key components. I love the fact that they used a brown bottle to help the vitamin C stay sustainable. I'm gonna do a little pump of this. Definitely hit the areas where it's really dry. No, I lost the top already. Then I'm gonna take the Milk Makeup moisturizer, vegan moisturizer. Alright, so skin is prepped. As you guys can see, it has a little bit of luminosity on the cheek, forehead area. So we're going to see if this actually minimizes the shine and blur the pores. So I'm going to zoom you guys in so we can get really into detail of how my face is really not the tea, but it's going to be tea later. Alright, so zoom you guys in a little bit closer. You guys can kind of see a little bit of luminosity right here, right here. It's just hydrated. So we're gonna go ahead and get into the primer, see how she really works. I love the fact that it's a soft matte squeezy tube, so you can squeeze out as much as you need. I love how this brand is staying on point with its color scheme, its logoing, its packaging. Packaging is really doing it. I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze some out. I think that'll be just good enough. If I need more, I'll go back in. Okay. That mattified real nicely. And there's a slight cooling effect to it as well too, from what I'm feeling. That is not drying. There is a little tackiness to it. Okay. That definitely eliminated some shine right there, as you guys can see. Just tapping it in and get some tackiness started. That's really dope. Okay, so you see like the shine right here. Okay, so you guys see like a little bit of the shine around my nose. Let's see how this eliminates that. Okay. That eliminated the shine, really did. And then let's see, I have some shine like right here above the brow. That eliminated the shine. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and hop off of here real quickly, do my foundation routine. If you guys are wanting to see what I exactly do, it is in a collaboration with It's Dion that will be on my YouTube channel. So definitely go ahead and watch that video as I get ready with me with Dion, and I'm gonna be right back to show you guys the finished product so you guys can see how everything heals up after that video. Alright guys, so this is what my face looks like right now. The time is... Alright now, so the time is 8:05. I'll be back to let you guys know how this primer holds up with an oily combination skin type. And we'll see how she's giving it on. Alright y'all, I'm back. And the time is now 2:03 a.m. Had this foundation application done and complete by around about 8. So that's 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2. That's 6 hours, which is pretty much like a full day worth of wearing this foundation. So the primer is what we kind of like talking about. Did it grip the makeup? I haven't even looked yet. Definitely gripped very well. My nose is always going to be very oily. Can't fight that. That's something that I'm born with. It is what it is. But I think as far as the foundation, as far as like the smoothness, the blur, it's a really good primer. I think it's just a really good primer. It definitely kept me matte, especially in my T-zone, forehead area, and also in this little divot area around my nose. It kind of kept everything as matte as possible. But my nose is very much a cesspool. I just can't fight it. Honestly, I think this is a really good primer. I think it's something that you guys should definitely think about taking a look into if you are looking to kind of switch up from the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip, or you want something a little more different. It is not super duper mattifying like the Becca Ever Matte or the Fenty True Matte or the Fenty Soft Matte. Well, I would say somewhat like Fenty Soft Matte primer, but no fragrance, of course. So if you guys are used to the Fenty Soft Matte primer and you're looking for something that is very similar but a little bit more blurring, I think this might be the one for you guys. Will I put this in my rotation for my makeup application? Yes. It's a good primer. I actually enjoyed it. How can you really enjoy a primer? That's something, that's something that you got to think about. Did I enjoy this primer? I really like this primer. This primer is definitely really good. I will be using it in the future. And yeah, so let's go ahead and wrap up this video. Take over, Maestro. You want to do the outro.
Wait. I'm camera shy, y'all. Thanks for watching the video.
Cut the camera. Just cut the camera.
I don't remember.
Oh my God. You lost in the song?
Singing in the background.
S-A-U-C-E. Good sauce, Miss.
I'm like,
She got that sauce. That sauce. That sauce good. That sauce.
Well, guys, I want to thank you guys for tuning into this video. This is Niko trying out the One Size Beauty new primer. Shout out to Patrick Starr. He likes the primer. I didn't try the primer yet, but yeah. Make sure you follow us on all of our social networks. Sincerely, Niko, and it's Dion. Shout out to all the bad bitches. Y'all already know the vibes. And I'm going back to Chicago in a few hours. Peace. Bye.
All right, y'all. All right, y'all. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely give this video a thumbs up. If you made it this far, make sure you guys give a subscribe. Be a part of the XO Squad. We would love to see you guys here in the next video. Again, thank you, Dion, for video bombing my outro. I really appreciate you coming to Atlanta to film a couple of videos with me and to hang out with me, of course. I definitely welcome my home and my studio back to you. So when you're in town, definitely come by the XO studio, get glam again, maybe record your own YouTube video in the future. We're working on that. But other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace. Bye. You're not gonna do it with me? Let's try this again, y'all.
I'm so high. Cut the cameras. Dead ass.
50 seconds. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Bye. This is supposed to be PG.
Cut the cameras. Dead ass.
That can only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city,